Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use your iPad as your second monitor while you film on your iPhone. First things first, make sure you have the Blackmagic Camera downloaded on your iPad too. Then you go on your settings on your Blackmagic Camera, you go to remote camera control, make sure this is on, and make sure this says controller down here. You're done right now. After that, on your iPhone, you go to the settings too, you go down and you'll see the remote camera control too, click it. But make sure here it says remote camera, not controller. Click on remote camera and it should ask you to put a password. Once you put that password, you go back here and you click on the first cell. You see those three lines? There should be one right here. Click it and you should see your phone. Once you see your phone, it will ask you to put the same password you just put right here. And I'll put mine. Once I put the password in, connect. And now it's connected. It's a little slow right now, but it's connected. You need a good Wi-Fi for this to work, fast. But yeah, that's all you need to do. It's pretty easy. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, please, if you want to see more. And thank you for watching.